Welcome back to TechVibes. I have an amazing new app that lets you watch all the brand new movies and TV shows completely free. You cannot find this in the normal Amazon App Store or Google Play Store. It is only available in my secret app store. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to access it in just a few minutes. Sit back, grab your remotes, and let us begin. First, go to the home screen of your device. Press left on your remote to highlight the magnifying glass icon. This brings up the keypad. Start typing the name of the app we need, which is called Downloader. As soon as it appears on the list, highlight and click it. Select the orange application to start the download. Once the installation is finished, do not open it just yet. Click the Home button on your remote. We need to change a few settings first. Slide over to the hamburger menu in the corner, scroll to the bottom, and click on Settings. Open the option called My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options on your screen, click on About. Highlight your device name and click the center button on your remote 7 times. You will see a pop-up saying you are now a developer. Click the back button, open developer options, and click ADB debugging to turn it on. Next, click Install Unknown Apps. Highlight Downloader and click it once to turn it on. Now, click the Home button. Go to the middle of your screen and open the Downloader app. Move the red circle cursor up to the search bar and click it. Type in the web address, unlinked.link shown on the screen, and click Next. Once the page loads, scroll down and find the box with the green Android icon. Click the center button once to start the download. Click Install, then click Done. Select Delete, and click Delete one more time to remove the unnecessary installation file. Click the Home button, go back to Settings, select My Fire TV, and open Developer Options. Click Install Unknown Apps. Find the newly installed unlinked app and click it once to turn it on. Hit your Home button again. Find the unlinked app in your list and open it. Click the center button on your remote 2 times to bring up the keypad. Enter the secret store code, MDI YouTube, shown on your screen, and click Next. Welcome to my personal app store, loaded with over 50 amazing apps for free movies, TV shows, and live events. Please take a second to hit that subscribe button to say thank you for keeping this store completely free. Before downloading the movie apps, you must secure your connection. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run smoothly any apps on the device. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Find NordVPN in the store, click Download, and then click Install App. Once it is installed, scroll down to find the brand new app called MovieBox. Click Download and then click Install App. If you want international content, download the app called Reason right next to it. It offers the exact same great movies and shows in different languages. Click Download and Install. Hit your Home button and scroll to the end of your apps list to find your new downloads. Before opening them, always turn your VPN on first. Open the VPN app and log in. If you need an account, use the installation link mentioned in the description and comments to pick a plan. Once logged in, click the center button on your remote. As soon as the status lights up in green, you are fully protected. Hit the Home button, open MovieBox or Reason, and enjoy your free entertainment. If this guide worked for you, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. See you real soon in the next video.